Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Tasleem. Now that India Bloc South Goa candidate Captain Viriato Fernandes has pulled off a major victory, lifting the spirit of the beleaguered Congress in Goa, what are the issues that he will raise in the parliament on behalf of the state? Captain Viriato stated that he will raise the burning issues concerning Goa in parliament.
आमचे सगळे लीडर जे हांगा आसा सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा कित्याक तांणी सगळे मेळून एक सिनर्जी दाखयली एक कोऑर्डिनेशन दाखोवन साऊथ गोवान जी विक्ट्री दिल्या पयले म्हणले तशें आतांय सांगता ही विक्ट्री गोंयच्या लोकांची नॉट ओन्ली साऊथ गोवा बट सगळ्या गोंयच्या लोकांची कित्याक ही जीत जाल्या तातूंत दाखोवन दिले की आम सादारण गोंयकार जिखलो आम सादारण गोंयकाराचो जो आवाज आसा जो दामपाक केल्लो ह्या सरकारान म्हाका दिसता ते जैतिवंत जाले डिस्पायट ह्या सरकाराचो प्रेशर गव्हर्नमेंट मशिनरी जावं मसल पावर मनी पावर सगळे यूज केले तरी पण लोकशाहीची जीत जाली लोकांची जीत जाली हांव सगळ्यांक आभारी आनी ह्या प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सान हांव सगळ्या साऊथ गोवाच्या लोकांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा खूब आभारी आनी येता त्या दिसांनी आमी सगळ्या गोंयच्या साऊथ गोवा सगळ्या लोकांक जाता तशें वचोन आमी प्रयत्न करून सगळ्यांक मेळटले देव बरें करूं म्हणटले पर्सनल वचोन जे आमी कॅम्पेन केल्लें अलॉंग विथ ऑल द अलायन्स पार्टनर्स आनी स्पेशली आमचो कॅम्पेन चीफ बाब एल्टन डिकोस्ता आनी साऊथ गोवाचो डिस्ट्रिक्ट प्रेसिडेंट बाब सावियो डिसिल्वा तांणी सगळे कोऑर्डिनेट करून जितले आमी नूक एंड कॉर्नर ऑफ गोवान गेल्ले आमकां कळून आयलें देर इज अनदर डिफरंट गोवा गरीबकाय अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट अत्याचार जाल्लो आसा आमी तांकां इन्शुरन्स दिले आमी परते येतले आनी लोकांचो आवाज हो आमी दिल्ली पावयतले हे आमचे आश्वासन आनी देर इज अ चॅलेंज कित्याक जो मॅनिफेस्टो काँग्रेस पार्टीन आनी इंडिया अलायन्सान तो रिलीज केल्लो ते म्हाका दिसता ते इश्यूवांचेर आमची खूब वर्सां जाली हे इश्यू आमी टेक अप केल्ले सरकारान प्रयत्न केल्लो दामपाक.
The people of Goa have routed the turncoat MLAs of Goa by either reducing their leads to a negligible figure or not giving them a lead at all. The Lok Sabha election results have showcased the anger of Goans against defectors and the attitude of politicians of taking the voters for granted across Goa. Watch.
The turncoat MLAs have failed the test as MLA Digambar Kamath, Minister Alex Siqueira, MLA Alex Reginald Lawrence, MLA Michael Lobo, MLA Rudolph Fernandes and others have not managed to secure a major lead for the BJP in their constituencies. Listen to what these MLAs have to say for falling short in garnering votes in their constituencies.
See, I can only say one thing, that we respect the mandate of the people and as such I have no comments to make. I said I have no comments. I accept whatever the people have done. That's it.
Ultimately, it was my assessment. We worked hard. We make an assessment. Based on that, I was saying the people's mandate ultimately it is silent voting. They do not know who voted.
अरे लोक डिसाइड करता लोकांचे कितें जाता लोकांक तुजें कांय चलना न्ही डेमोक्रेसी भितर पिपल्स ओपिनियन इज सुप्रीम एंड वी हॅव टू रिस्पेक्ट पिपल्स ओपिनियन हे मागीर दिगंबर स्वीच जाल्यार बी बेजार जाल्यार
result is already out. Why more discussions on this? I was very clear when I started the campaign where I would stand. So I don't have to explain afterwards. I had already explained before why I was with the BJP, what I was, everything I explained, and I was very clear. The person who had helped me, the people who have helped me, I have to be with them. I can't be ungrateful. Now, what rest? And even I had told how many votes we would get. We have almost touched that target. Now, the position is on the target. It is the people who vote. लोक वोट मागता आणि लोकांक जाय तो गव्हर्नमेंट मेळटा. वी हॅव टू रिस्पेक्ट द मॅन्डेट ऑफ द पीपल.
Bureau Report, Herald TV.
Why did the BJP Lok Sabha candidate not do well in the new conquest constituencies? Which are these constituencies, and was it a wrong expectation from its voters? Was it wrong to believe that just because BJP had more MLAs in the South Goa due to inorganic growth, it would win? Or was the one-to-one fight in South Goa unfortunate for the BJP? Listen to this analysis.
See, BJP never expected such kind of voting pattern.
Right.
Where Ponda, where Shiroda, where constituencies like that of Savarne, Sange, they thought always could give a higher margin.
Right.
And then that has not happened. Question is, why has it not happened? This is because of the wrong expectation that it should happen. As I was suggesting earlier, when we are talking about BJP's win in two political aberration, and that was only because that there was a political split of votes, so it should not be taken as an average thing. It is wrong to believe that because you have more number of MLAs in the south, and which is because of inorganic growth, that can give you victory in the south. It was a difficult game, and it is a very difficult game when BJP has to fight a candidate one to one. And this time, unfortunately for the BJP, that fight was one to one.
Right.
And not just fight one to one, it also was felt like it has been fought on religious lines.
Right.
When you have a consolidation happening, and if you see the kind of consolidation, Benalim has given a lead of almost 14,000.
That's right. Correct.
William has given a lead of almost 13,000. Noah has given a lead of almost 11,000. Now the kind of lead 13 plus 11 plus almost 14
Right.
is enough
Correct.
to wipe up all the lead which you get from the Hindu dominated areas. Had there been a third candidate, which was also a powerful candidate, or more than 3 candidates, probably would have found a different
That's
picture.
right.
The lead figures from maybe 13 in William would have gone to 9 or could have gone to 8, and that would have been exactly the winning picture. So
correct.
when we are saying that that all these blame games and this person has to be blamed, or that votes have not been translated, BJP has got good number of votes which otherwise they were expecting.
Right.
On the contrary, I would say that this candidate was a good candidate because this candidate's votes, the votes polled by this particular candidate, Mrs. Dempo, is more as compared to what BJP has got
Right.
in all the elections.
Right.
But BJP candidate was fighting a battle against an united opposition.
Correct.
And that to a single candidate from a minority. Of course, the RJP candidate was not even considered to be worthy of a fight.
But what they did was they adversely affected the BJP in places like Shiroda and Manmo constituency, which was the BJP's claim.
Possibly at both the places. It is very difficult for us to say that RGP or RGP has dampened the chances only of the BJP, because there are quite number of old conquest constituencies, old conquest constituencies where he has also eaten, RGP has also eaten the vote share of the Congress candidate. So it becomes a very difficult battle at the center or at the state.
Right.
So I am not really surprised at what happened at the center, because again, where Modi or BJP was fighting against an united opposition, in South Goa, which is not typically a BJP seat, which has been a Congress seat all the time, and we had similar kind of fights when UG and MG were fighting, and it was always rested by the United Goans party. So similar kind of a thing happened. In absence of any vote split, it becomes a difficult game for BJP to rest such a difficult seat like that of South Goa.
Right.
The BJP Goa has accepted the party's defeat in the South Goa parliamentary seat. Without naming anyone, they blamed Dharmagurus for their religious interference. Speaking to media, the BJP leader said that the party lost by a very small margin of 2% votes and accepted the verdict from the people of Goa. Congress retorted strongly to this charge.
South Goa जरी आम्ही हरले सुद्धा जरी असले जाल्यार आमची वोटिंग पर्सेंटेज 45.26% आमची वोटिंग पर्सेंट आसा. आम्ही खंय तरी म्हणजे फक्त 2%आनी वोटींग कमी पडले. ऑलमोस्ट क्लियर फिगर अजून येवंक ना, बट 13,000च्या मतांच्या फरकान आम्ही फाटी पडले. आम्ही म्हणटा की आमची एक्सपेक्टेड काही कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी आमकां आनीक लीड मेळपाक जाय आसली, ती थोडीशी कमी पडली. काय हरकत ना, आम्ही कमी पडले हे आम्ही मान्य करता. साऊथ गोवा निवडून आयिल्ले विरेटो हाजें अभिनंदन करता. काय हरकत ना, तोय निवडून आयिल्लो आसा, ताजें अभिनंदन. आमचे NDAच्या बाबतीत आमचे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीजी हांचे आणि त्याचबरोबर अमितभाई शाह हांची लीड तर 5 लाखाच्या वयर पावल्या. हाजे सारकेल्या दिग्गज जे सगळे निवडून आयल्या तांचे खूप खूप अभिनंदन. आणि परत एकदा देशाच्या समेस्त जनतेन दिल्लो कौल हो आमी मान्य करता आसतना पुराय भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या आणि NDAचेर माननीय मोदीजींचेर विश्वास दवरून ज्यांच्यांनी मतदान केलें त्या देशांतल्या पुराय जनतेकूय बी हांव खूप खूप अभिनंदन करता, आभार व्यक्त करता. आणि आमी अशाच पद्दतीचे डबल इंजीन सरकार हे सातत्यान हांगासर चालू उरतलें हें सांगता आसतना म्हाकाय खूप खोस भोगता. देव बरें करूं.
सर, साऊथ गोव्याचं जेव्हा बघितलं जातं तेव्हा पक्ष हे संघटनसाठी असताना साऊथ गोव्याला संघटन कुठे कमी पडलं असेल?
साऊथ गोव्यात संघटन खंयसरूच कमी पडूंक ना. संघटनेच्या बळाचेर पळयत जाल्यार आमी ऑलमोस्ट सगळी कडेन काम केल्लें. घडये कदाचित तो एक आमी जेका म्हणटा की 0.5% वोटींग पर्सेंटेजीन ते आमच्या पेक्षा फुडें उरले. आमकां थोडे कडेन जी लीड मेळपाक जाय आसली आमच्या विशेष कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी ती लीड मातशी कमी पडली. आमी वोटींगूय म्हणजे ज्या पद्दतीन आमी 75% वोटींग पुराय गोंयांत करून घेवपाक शकले. आमी त्या खातीर सांगलें की आमी खंयसरूच हेका तेका दोश न दिता वॉट एवर द रिजल्ट जो आयला तो आमी एक्सेप्ट करता. पयल्यान पयलीं रिजल्ट आमकां मान्य आहा. जो कितें आयला तो पार्टी तेजेर परत एकदा म्हणजे पार्टीच्या अध्यक्षान आमी पुराय जेन्ना कोर ग्रूप आनी टीम बसतले तेन्ना खंयसर कमी पडले आनी खंय आमकां रेक्टिफाय करपाक जाय ताजेरूय बी पार्टी म्हणून डिसिजन घेतलें.
दक्षिण गोंयचो निकाल जर आमी पळयलो आसत जाल्यार दक्षिण गोंया भितर आमी कंपेर टू 2014-2019 हे जर आमी हे पळयलें आसत जाल्यार आमची मतदान जें आसा हें पयल्या वेळाचेर आमी 2 लाख मतदान हें क्रॉस केलें. म्हणजे 14य आमी जिखले पण त्या वेळाचेर आमचें मतदान हें 2 लाख क्रॉस जावन आशिल्लें. 2019 आमी जिखूना पण तेन्ना आमकां 1,99,000 मतां पडलीं. पूण आज आमी जर हें पळयलें आसत जाल्यार आमी 2,02,000 कारण मडगांव मतदारसंघात 86 हे वोट दाखयतात पण लीड आमकां थंय 1,200 समथींग. सो त्यामुळे 2,02,300 मतां ही आमकां पडिल्लीं आसा. पण आमी निवडणुकीक दक्षिण गोंया भितर आमकां हार मानची पडली कारण आमकां दिसतालें आमी निवडून येतले. पण एक सांगपाकूय वायट दिसता की आमी ते मॅन्डेट फायनली लोकांनी दिल्लो निकाल तो आमी एक्सेप्ट करतात. पण हें करता आसतना आमकां एक लक्षांत आयलें की ह्या वेळाचेर थोडेशे धर्माच्या आधाराचेर जें मतदान करतात तातूंतल्यान एक गठ्ठा मतदान हें एका बाजून वता आनी त्यामुळे थोडोसो आमकां जें दिसतालें की आमकां थोडे तरी वोट्स त्या बाता येतले म्हणून ते येवपाक शकले ना आनी त्यामुळे तातूंतल्यान आमी दक्षिण गोंया भितर आमी जिखपाक शकले ना. आनी त्यामुळे तातूंतल्यान थोड्याशी धर्मगुरूंची इंटरफरन्स जें आसा हें तातूंतल्यान खासपणे पयलीं दिसतालें उलयताले पण आमी केन्ना उलोवं नाशिल्ले. पण आज स्पश्टपणे जेन्ना निकाल पळयतकच लक्षांत आयलें आनी त्यामुळे तो निकाल आमी एक्सेप्ट करताच. आनी म्हणून हांव आमचे श्रीपाद भाऊ नायक हांचें अभिनंदन करता.
The charge made by the Chief Minister and the President of the BJP that Dharma Gurus have been involved and that is why they have attributed the loss of their party is a basic insult to the intelligence of the voter that has voted in this election. If that is their attempt to belittle and insult the voter and Goans who have voted, then it is very sad. We condemn this type of attempts by the Chief Minister and the party president of the BJP to bring religious angles and attribute this their loss to the interference of Dharma Gurus.
Despite the Congress organization in shambles and the BJP's confidence of snatching the South Goa Lok Sabha seat, India Bloc won the seat by a good margin. In this edition of Street Voices, Herald TV spoke to people to know their opinion on what message the South Goa results have sent to Goans. Here's what they said.
सगळ्या गोंयकारांक हांव शाबासकी दिता, चड करून दक्षिण गोंयच्या लोकांक. कारण हे इलिसांक तुमी पोट तिडकेर 3 नंबराचो बटन चिडून कॅप्टन विर्यातोक निवडून हाडलो म्हणून. आनी हेजेर एक जे हुकुमशाहीचो सरकार पळय आसा ताका संदेश वयता आनी 3 स्पश्ट संदेश धाडटा. पहिलो संदेश म्हणल्यार केन्नाच धर्मा विरुद्ध ह्या जाती विरोधाचेर हे तुमी तुमची इलिसांवाची पोळी भाजनाकात. हे आमी साश्टीकार चड करून सावथ गोवाचे लोक हे आमी खपोवन घेवचेच ना. तो मागीर हिंदू जावं मुस्लीम जावं क्रिस्तांव जावं. दुसरें आमच्या भावनाचेर हे गोंयचे जमिनीचेर व्हडले व्हडले जमिनी पळय तुमी खातात आनी भायल्यांक पळय विकतात. गोंयकारांक कांयच मेळनासतना ते सावथ गोवाचो लोक जावं साश्टीकार जावं पुसान सोंसतात. पूण ज्या दिसाक तुमची पोळी भाजतली त्या दिसाक तुमचे ते ताट आख्खे सोमते पडटले. आनी तिसरें म्हणल्यार हुकुमशाहीचो हो सरकार आनी ह्या गोळेन हो BJPचो सरकार जो तोडा मोडी फोडून जे MLAंक वता आनी हितून जायते काँग्रेसाचे जे निवडून येयलेले आमदार मागीर बेब्या मातशें उडक्यो मारतात तांकांय ही एक शिटकावणी आनी एक काँग्रेसाकूय एक शिटकावणी. हेच्या फुडें केन्नाच जे काँग्रेसाचे टिकेटीचे निवडून येयलेले मनीस जे उडक्यो मारून गेल्यात हेंकां जरी तर तुमी परत काँग्रेसाक घेतले आनी चुकेन पासून घेतले जाल्यार काँग्रेसाचो गोबर जातलो. हेच्या फुडें आनी तुमकां वयर सरोंक एक सेकंड पासून मेळचो ना. हेच्या फुडें काँग्रेसानूय शिटकावणी घेवची आनी BJPनूय शिटकावणी घेवची. हे इतले उडयो मारून गेलेले तेंचे कॉन्स्टिट्युशनी कितें हाल करून दवरल्या ती सगळ्यांनी हे चतूर रावन हे लिस्सांव घेवचे. आनी काँग्रेसाक हेच्या फुडें कोणूय जे टिकेटीचेर काँग्रेसाचे निवडून येयलेले उडयो मारून गेले तांकां परत घेतले जाल्यार आनीक एक फावटी सांगता काँग्रेसाचो उरलेलो सगळो गोबर जातलो.
आयज सावथाच्या वोटरांनी दाखोवन दिल्या की द सावथ वोटर्स हॅव वोटेड अगेन्स्ट द नॅचरल रिसोर्सीस डिस्ट्रक्टर्स, against the mining lobby, against the defectors, and they have proved that an activist can become a MP who can take up their issues. At the same time, if you go to North, Bhavu's image is clean, simple and non-corrupt. So the trend of both North and South remains the same as Goa voters choose BJP in North and Congress in South. Then I request each and every person, the voter in future, to vote for an individual whose image is clean, who is non-corrupt, who will take up your issues at the state level or national level, who will be with you on road, take up the issues on road, be with the people and get the works done. And basically he would be the voice of Goa at center. At the same time, I request all the religious leaders, all the gurus, whether he's a Catholic, Hindu or a Muslim, that not to get into this political agenda thing, not to promote any political party, but spread the message of love, peace and spirituality across the state and make a good future for an individual by preaching them good thoughts. Please stay out of this political arena. You people are spiritual leaders. You people are here to spread the message of God.
Partymen on Wednesday expressed discontent over the BJP's failure to win the South Goa parliamentary seat. They said the final results did not meet their expectation. The party will analyze and see where they have gone wrong.
We are not very happy with the results. We are expecting at least 5,000 lead आमची आसतली म्हणून. पूण 2-3 गोष्टी आमच्यो जाल्यो त्यो मातश्यो आमच्या अगेन्स्ट गेल्यो. हो वास्को कशें आसा, वास्को सगळ्या समाजाचे लोक आसा, UPचे लोक, कर्नाटकाचे लोक, सगळ्या तरेचे लोक आसा आनी हे सगळ्या लोकांचो हो वेडिंग सिजन आशिल्लो. सो आमचे 1000 भर वोट पयलीं म्हणटा ते थंय गेले. तातूंत भितर गरमेचे दीस आशिल्ले बट दॅट इज नॉट एन एक्सक्यूज. आमचे लोक भायर आशिल्ले तो आमकां खूब मार बसलो. थोडे कडेन आमकां म्हणजे वोटींग पर्संटेज आज आमी बसतले खंय फॉल्टर जाले नाल्यार खंय आमचें कितें चुकलां यू वील डेफिनेटली स्टडी. इट इज नॉट दॅट थिंग बट आमकां दिसताली की एटलीस्ट 5,000 लीड आसपा जाय ती 2,600 जाली वीच वी आर ऑल्सो नॉट व्हेरी हॅपी. दे आर डेफिनेटली अपसेट वीथ दॅट मूव. बट आमकां इतले ताजो परिणाम जातलो अशें दिसून आशिल्लें. पूण डेफिनेटली आमी म्हाका दिसता जेन्ना तांकां हाडले तेन्ना आमी मातशें लेट हाडले. आमी म्हाका दिसता तांकां मातशें पयलीं हाडिल्ल्यार वी कूड हॅव अ नायस कॉर्डिनेटेड टीम. आमी लास्ट मोमेंटार हाडिल्ल्या कारणान सगळें कन्फ्युजन जालें. वी एक्सेप्ट दॅट आमचे कडल्यान खंय फ्लॉज जाले ते, बट वी विल डेफिनेटली ट्राय टू इम्प्रूव ऑन इट.
डिस्पायट गिविंग अ कन्सिडरेबल लीड तुमकां एक अनहॅपीनेस आसा बिकॉज यू कुड नॉट अचीव द ड्रीम लीड दॅट.
आज एक खुशी आसा की परत एकदा प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्रजी मोदी परत एकदा शपथविधी घेवन तिसरे फावटी प्रायम मिनिस्टर जाता म्हणून. पूण जेन्ना पार्टीन तुजेर इतलो विश्वास दवरिल्लो आनी खंय तरी तो जायना जाल्यार आमकांय वायट दिसता दॅट वी हॅव फेल्ड समवेर टू गिव दॅट नेसेसरी लीड. सो आमकांय डेफिनेटली वायट दिसलां एंड वी विल डेफिनेटली ट्राय टू वर्क मोर हार्ड.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday chaired the last meeting of the outgoing Union Cabinet, which recommended dissolution of the 17th Lok Sabha, setting in motion the process of formation of the next government after the Bharatiya Janata Party-led National Democratic Alliance won a narrow majority in the Lok Sabha. PM Modi drove down to Rashtrapati Bhavan to call on President Draupadi Murmu soon after. The term of the current 17th Lok Sabha will end on June 16. Modi is likely to be sworn in as the Prime Minister for the third consecutive term on June 8th. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant said that the state government will consider linking funds for green certification to panchayats for efficient solid waste management. The Chief Minister was speaking at the World Environment Day celebrations. Meanwhile, CM also said that if any effluent treatment plant doesn't function well, then companies will be forced to shut down operations and they will not be allowed to release the waste water to the sewage treatment plant without being treated at the ETP.
दर वर्सा वर्ल्ड एनवायरमेंट डेच्या दिसा अशाच पद्दतीत नवीन इंडस्ट्रींक ग्रीन सर्टिफिकेशन दिवपाचें काम आमचे पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड आनी एनवायरमेंट डिपार्टमेंट हे दर वर्सा नवीन इंडस्ट्री खातीर करतले. त्याचबरोबर अंदू दिल्ल्यो 2 पंचायती मेणकुऱ्या पंचायत आणि ठाणे ग्रामपंचायत जितून करून सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट खूप बऱ्या पद्धतीन जेंच्यांनी आपलें काम केलें आणि तेंच्यांनी पंचायत बॉडी आणि सरपंच हेंच्यांनी लोकांच्या सगळ्या सहकार्यान करून दाखयलें. तांच्याय खातीर आमी तांकां एक फावटी ग्रीन सर्टिफिकेशन्स दिले. हांव तर ह्या वेळार सांगपाक सोदतां की इवन दो बरें काम करता अशा पद्दतीन तांकां एडिशनल प्रोविजन ऑफ द फंड्स टू दॅट पर्टिक्युलर पंचायत हें करपाचो सरकाराचो विचार आसा. कारण तेंच्यांनी आपली पंचायत कोयराच्या बाबतींत नितळसाणीच्या बाबतींत खूब बरी करपाक सुरवात केल्या. इन फ्युचर अशाच पद्दतीत उरलेले पंचायती खूब बऱ्या पद्दतीन काम करचे म्हणून हेची सुरवात आसा. हांव कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करता फॉर IDC. फर्स्ट टायम दे हॅव टेकन इन द लार्ज स्केल इनिशिएटिव्स. म्हणजे आमी म्हणटा की एफिशियंट ETP जर ना जाल्यार हाज्या फुडें सगळ्या कंपनीक हांव परत एकदा आयच्या दिसा सांगता जर ETP प्लांट तुमचो चल्लो ना जाल्यार कंपनी बंद करची पडटली. उदक तुमकां हाडून STPन घालपाक आमी दिवचे ना. यू वॉन्ट टू ट्रीट युअर वॉटर एट युअर ETP ओनली. ते दीस बंद जाले की तुमचें उदक हाडून तुमी टॉका वयल्या STPन जे सोडटाले आनी आमचो वयल्यान STP पिड्ड्यार करतालो. हांव मुद्दामून एक कित्याक सांगता सांतिनेचो नालो सगळ्या जाणांनी पळयला बट ताज्या खातीर मोडलेले 27 कोटी रुपया अजुनूय बी सांतिनेच्या नाल्यात आपली वेस्ट सोडपाक खूप सोंपें आसता. बट ते 27 कोटी रुपया म्हणून तो एफिशियंटली आमी आतां चलयता तो मुद्दामून वचून पळोवचो आनी ते सगळे क्लीन करून परत एकदा मांडवीन सोडटा. त्या खातीर त्या उदकान सोडपाक आपल्या इंडस्ट्रीतलें उदीक हाडून त्या STPक सोडपाक दिवचें ना.
Youth of Pidadigal downed Rumba United 3-1 to enter the quarter-finals of 9A-side football tournament organised by Sporting Club Virabhat held at St. Alex Church Ground, Kurturi on Tuesday. In the first half, Youth of Pidadigal scored through Anthony Bogut, while Joshua Mascarenas of Rumba United missed the opportunity to level the score before half-time. After resumption of the second half, Anthony Bogut scored the second goal for Youth of Pidadigal, while Joshua reduced the margin for Rumba United. In the last quarter, Anthony Bogut completed his hat-trick for Pidadigal. Anthony Fernandes was presented the Man of the Match award by Movin Norona, president of Sporting Club Virabhat. all we have in today's news bulletin. Catch us on O Heraldo website and social media channels. Thanks for watching Herald TV. Take care and goodbye.